Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Cutty Eats. Today, I was craving the meats, so I thought I would go over to Arby's and try their uh, chicken cheddar ranch sandwich. It's got a cheddar cheese slice, Parmesan peppercorn ranch sauce, cheddar lettuce, tomatoes, chicken breast strips, and a sesame bun. I got the large combo. So as you can see, we're rocking the large curly fries, as well as a large Dr. Pepper. We are still in Sea Turtle Gang, but I cannot find my metal spoon. So this is going to be a fun one to try not to screw up at all. It does come in the bag, and inside I got the boxed special. I did ask for some Arby's sauce for my fries. I did get an Arby's sauce. So I'm going to do the old-time classic of pouring the fries in there. And we've got our meal. You know, looking at the sandwich, it is a good-looking curly fries. Absolutely the way to go. The sandwich looks good. And like I said, it is 2 of their chicken strips. That cheddar cheese, you know, looks good. You can see this tomato, the lettuce. And like I said, it's got the Parmesan peppercorn ranch sauce on there too. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of dig in. I'm going to get that bite with the good. Without in-depth analyzing the flavors, I gotta say, it's a hearty sandwich. You can really taste the chicken tender. The lettuce is coming out a bit at the bottom. I understand why it's wrapped. But wow. Tomato comes in. Nothing's too heavy. Wow. I mean, the chicken is nice big tenders. I know it's nice and crispy. Like I said, the sauce does not. I mean, there's nothing overwhelming. It actually all flows together. So well. I'm actually going to get a little bit of the sauce. You can taste the Parmesan a bit. It also does just, I mean, it's ranch. I'm doing the Arby sauce as a side to my fries. Since I've got some, I'll go ahead and throw some on the sandwich just for a bite. Arby sauce actually overwhelms it. I wouldn't even recommend that. Kind of takes away from the actual sandwich you ordered. Ooh, I think I did actually get a good piece of the sauce there. The Parm ranch sauce, not the Arby sauce, and it's good. I think this. A little tang from the ranch, a little bit of parm flavor in there, and then being able to dabble in the fries. As a quick little side while you're going in between bites. And it's hearty. I mean, feels like I'm getting a good meal like this. I did upgrade to the large. There's some fries, but my only complaint is that it was done with 2 chicken tenders. So the middle bite, you know, I work around the crust on my sandwiches. The middle bite would have been 2 pieces of chicken tender. It wouldn't have worked. So, really, my only complaint with the sandwich is how I eat it. So that's our last bite there. Parmesan, ranch, a good piece of cheese, too hearty. Chicken tenders, and the bun was good. It held it all together. So really enjoyed that one. I would recommend it, especially if you like chicken sandwiches and ranch. Just nice left there. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Follow me on social media at Cutty Eats, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube. There's a Patreon if you like to donate. Tell your friends and family, but most importantly, tune in next time. Thanks, guys. We'll see you then.